Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Steven here from Digital Renovations. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the little bell icon and bark like a dog if you want to help me out here and stay up to date with the latest videos from Digital Renovations. Today we're going to be taking a look at Nginx and how we can set up a basic web server within a Docker container. If you need some help getting started with Docker, I've linked our video with some instructions on how you can get started. First up, we're going to be jumping into our command prompt and creating a new folder for our project. So we're going to type mkdir for make directory, and I'm going to call it Nginx server. You can call it whatever you'd like. Then we're going to cd change directory into our Nginx folder. Within our project folder, we're first going to create an HTML file that's going to be served by our new server. So we're going to type new item, new-item path. We're going to say leave that here with the dot. We're going to give it a dash name of index.html. Now I've created that file. We're going to use Visual Studio Code, so we're going to type code index.html. You can type Notepad if you don't have Visual Studio Code installed. Now, within this, we're going to keep it nice and simple. Just h1, hello world, save. Perfect. Alright, now we have our index.html set up. We are going to create our Docker file. So we're going to create another new dash item with a path of here and a name of Docker file. Enter. Docker file is being created, so we're going to open that up in Visual Studio Code. So code, Docker file, and now we're back into Visual Studio Code. I'm going to type in from Nginx latest to get the latest version of Nginx from Docker Hub. And we also want to copy index.html to user share Nginx HTML in the new container. I'm going to save this, jump back into our PowerShell. Next up, we're going to build our Docker file. So to do that, we're going to type in docker build it -t. So T allows us to tag and give an identifier to what we're building. We're going to call it Nginx server. And we're going to work from our current directory, so we'll put a full stop, we'll hit enter. Docker is then going to look for the Docker file in the current directory and build out our Docker container for us. Now that that's done, we can run our Docker container with docker run -p to specify the ports we want to reference. So we're going to link port 8080 on our host machine to 80 within the container, and the image that we are going to use is what we've just created before, is our Nginx server. Hit enter. It's going to run through, set itself up, and all being right with the world, if we now jump into our browser, type in localhost 8080, we've got our hello world. That's it. Super simple, no config required within Nginx. We'll be diving deeper into that in the future. For now, congratulations, you've just set up your first Nginx web server with a Docker image. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this helpful and if you want to see more content like this. Till next time, have a good one.